I am Shobha. Now I am going to teach you Kannada Varnamale. In Kannada Varnamale, we have totally 49 alphabets. First, A to Au, we call them Swaragalu. Aha, we call them Yoga Vahagalu. Ka to La, we call them Vyanjanagalu. These are 34 letters, 34, 13, 2 and 34 letters, totally 49 letters. Let's begin how to write these letters. The first letter A, 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 E, E. Make a circle, one line, horizontal line up, then lift your hand, then sleeping line, go up, make a round and curve. E. First make a circle, come this side, back again and up, then a sleeping line and make a 0 and come down. E. U. U. Just like A, beginning just like A, then you have to turn, make curves like this. U. U. U is similar. Here you have to bend it one more time down and curve it. U. Ru. Ru. You can begin like English letter 2 like that. English number 2. Then you have to do like this. Ru. A. 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 In Hindi we do not have this A letter, but in Kannada we have this one extra letter. I. I. You can begin from top and here end it. I. O. 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 Just like O, but you have this one curve extra. O letter also we do not have in Hindi. So A and O are two extra letters. Au. Au. Stop it here. Don't bring it till down because we have another letter in Kannada that also little bit similar like this. That curve will come till down. So this is here, and don't do from side also because we have another letter from side. So it should be properly from top of the head. This Au. Au. Write A first. Then put a 0 and the 0 should be as big as A. And the last letter is Aha. Again you write A. First A. Then you have these two small zeros. Aha. So now we finished 15 letters. In these 15 letters, we have first 13 letters till Au are called Swaragalu, and this Aha are Yoga Vahagalu. Now let's start writing Vyanjanagalu. We have totally 34 Vyanjanagalu. I'll show you how to write this Vyanjanagalu. The first letter Ka, you have to put a 0 and sleeping line as you wrote your E like that. Then from here go up, again come this side, back again and up. Ka, Ka. Gnya. As we wrote O, just like O, but we have one dot here. It is similar to O, but one dot here. Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Gnya. Next letter Cha. Cha. This cha you can also write. I'll show it in this paper. Without lifting your hand, you can write like this, or you can also write sleeping line, then lift your hand and write like this. First one, you no need to lift your hand, you can go inside and like this. This is also correct, this is also correct. Cha, cha. It should begin from top here, and these both should be in the same line, but some people they write it here down, but it is not the proper way. This is the correct way. Cha, cha, ja. Again like O, then a sleeping line, ja, ja, like E, like that E type. Then we have one curve, two curves and a line here, ja. Then we wrote E, like that only we have to write E first. Then we have to put one curve here, Gnya. Next letter is Ta. Ta, like this. Go inside here, go inside here and like this. Ta, you no need to make loops here. It's just like this, simple ta. Ta. Sleeping line, up and a dot in the center. Ta. Da. Inside, inside and a sleeping line. There is one more method where people write. I will just show you. This is printed will come like this here, and here one loop will come. This way if you write also is correct, da, or this way if you write also is correct. Both are correct. Ta, tha, da, dha. Inside, inside and a sleeping line and one line here. We call that Mahaprana. Now na is ulta ta, but 1, 2 and that's it. We don't put it here inside. For ta we have to put, not for na. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Next line from down, 1, 2. Easy. Or you can also write from top like this. Lift your hand and then put sleeping line. Either you can write this way or this way. This is the proper way actually, from down. But this way if you write also is correct. There's one more method, that printed letter will give us 0 here. If you write that 0 also is correct. I prefer writing this way. This is the proper method. Tha, tha. 1 0 here, down. Now following two letters also a bit similar. Same like tha, only this much. Da, dha. Just like da, but you have to put a Mahaprana. We call it Mahaprana. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Na and na. Now next letter is pa. I'll take another sheet. pa. It's very easy. 0 up, pa. Pa, similar to pa. 1 Mahaprana. Pa, pa. Ba is like O, but you have to bring it up till here. And bha is also similar, but we have a sleeping line and a Mahaprana. Bha, ma. Like this, and one curve. There's one more letter without the curve that I will write and show you now. Pa, pa, ba, bha, ma. Next one is 0 and a curve, one more curve, ya. Some people get confused with ya and ja. I will show you the difference. Ya has a 0 and don't have a top headline, but for ja you first put 0 and a top headline, then put the curves and a line. This both look similar, don't get confused. This is ja, which has a top headline, and ya do not have top headline for the 0, it has for the curve. Ya, ra. Ra is bit similar like ta. Ta we put a dot in the center. Ra, it is a simple without any dot. La, stop it here, just like a, but stop it here. La. Wa, similar to ma, similar to this letter, but we don't have this side curve. Here we put, only that is the difference between wa and ma. This is wa. Ya, ra, la, wa. Now sha. It's very easy, looks little difficult. Like this, you come this much, then you make a curve, touch here, go up, put a sleeping line. I will show you here. It is very easy. Just write C, ulta C, then make like a shell, touch here, then go up like this. See, like this, then go here. Okay, sha. Next letter, sha. We wrote pa like that only. Do like this, and make a 0 and come down. 0, sleeping line, just like pa, but here you have to do a loop. Sha, this is sha, this is sha. Then next letter sa, start like na, stop it here. 0, come this side, back again and up. Sa. Sha, sha, sa. Ha letter is like ulta 8. From here, go here, make a 0, come back here, and then touch here, go up this side, back again and up. Ha. Now last letter, la. La. This is like number 8. La. Now we learned all the 34 letters. Now let's read them. Ka, kha, ga, ga, gnya, cha, cha, ja, ja, gnya, ta, tha, da, dha, na, ta, tha, da, dha, na, pa, pa, ba, bha, ma, ya, ra, la, wa, sha, sha, sa, ha, la. Now we finish learning all the 49 alphabets. 13 ಸ್ವರಗಳು, 2 ಯೋಗವಾಹಗಳು and 34 ವ್ಯಂಜನಗಳು. Totally 49 letters. Please practice and learn. In my following video, I'll show you the small words using these alphabets without using Gunitakshara. That's it. Thank you, friends.